Hi friends, welcome back to Angular tutorial. So in this video I am going to discuss about how template driven forms works in Angular. Basically template driven forms are two-way data binding to update the data model in the component, or changes are made in the template, and you can say in vice versa also. So this is the most basic prompts and easily we can use this. Generally most of the code we need to write inside the HTML file. Okay, so how we can use this? So simply we need to import the forms module, and we can use this from modules for template driven forms. So just go to the app modules.ts, and inside here we will import the forms module. So right here import, and here the module's name is forms module. Okay, and it's coming from the Angular forms. So right here Angular and forms. Okay, and we need to import these things from the imports array. So just comma and from modules. Okay, so from modules are imported in our application, and here you can see that is the Angular tutorial template driven forms. This is the simple text, and you can see this text here. Okay, and here I want to create forms, and we will submit that form and will collect that data from the TS file, that is the TypeScript file. So simply just create a form, and inside the form we will create some fields, that is input, type, text, and name equal to email, and we can change the text to the email type also. And okay, then next I will add beer tag to beer tag, so it will clearly separate with another input type field. So write input type, and I am creating here the password also. Okay, and I am giving the name, that is name equal to name. Okay, and same, just add to beer. And the final things we need to write the button, and type obviously submit, and here just write suppose submit, it's the label. Okay, so now just go to the browser, we can see a simple form. So as we have not set in label, so that we can write a placeholder also. So enter email, and here also write placeholder, enter password. Okay, so it looks great. And now we need to identify the forms with the identification. So just provide a ID for this form. So here I am writing that is as login form. Okay, so this is my identification, and we will write the ngForm. Okay, so we will bind with the ngForm, and when you click on the submit, it will call some function which will collect the email and password, that is a fields data. Okay, so how to write? So click event, that is ngSubmit event, and we will call a methods. So the methods name, suppose I am writing the methods name as get data. Okay, and inside the get data we will pass the value, that is from login from. Okay, and along with that we want simply just value. So right here login forms dot value. Now the next things we need to do, we need to create a function in the TypeScript file with the name, that is get data. So just app component.ts file, this is the default component of your Angular application. So just create these things, and as we are passing some data, so we need to collect this data from the methods. So write simply data, and I want to collect this data and will print with the console. So write console dot log, and we should print, will print the data. Okay, now if we just go to the browser, we can see, so fail to compile. So the parameter data implicitly has any type, so we need to convert this data as any. And now just go to the browser, we can see the data. Okay, so now just open the inspect element, So just go to the console, and here I will provide the email and password. So write here test@test.com and password 123456, and just click on the submit. So we can see the value, that is email and name. Okay, so now this is printing from the Typescript file, that is the TS file. So we can understand how to pass data, that is the template driven prompts, to the app component.ts file. So next day we're going to discuss about the validation. So if we just enter these things, so suppose I am removing the email part and click on the submit, we can see the email is submitted with the blank, but I don't want to do this. So I want to validate these things. So how we can validate this? So next we'll show you the validation part of the template driven form. So if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section, and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.